Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, my name's I'm with a company.
Okay.
So we're based right here in specialize in selling and servicing a variety of inspection-related tools and equipment.
Okay.
From cylindrical gauging to precision hand tools to optical comparators and vision systems.
Mhm.
And additionally, we sell and service 3D printing, typically used for fixturing jigs and prototypes.
Okay.
Are you currently using any 3D printing?
We do.
Oh, okay. Yeah. So what we do is that so we represent big,
Oh,
big, and also
okay.
offering a range of filament and resin-based professional 3D printers. And these printers come in various sizes, speeds, and capabilities, allowing printing with polymers, composites, and metal.
Mhm.
And like I was saying earlier, our systems are used for jigs, fixtures, prototypes, and custom parts in diverse applications.
Okay.
Quick question: what kind of workflow are you using your for, like prototyping, fixturing?
It is. Yes, it is, and it is for fixturing.
So
Mostly
prototyping
fixturing. Yep.
and fixturing.
Yep.
Okay. Do you outsource any 3D printing? Like, do you work with a third-party vendor at all, or do you do
Not
it all
at this
internally?
time. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Would you be open to, because like I was saying, so we're based here in we do sales and service for 3D.
Okay. If you can send me a brochure, I will forward it to because I'm actually just a quality supervisor.
Okay.
I
So
have, but yeah, I
okay.
will be happy to forward
Oh wait.
anything you send me.
So you're a quality supervisor.
Yes. Mhm.
Okay. So on
Yes.
the quality side, do you send out anything or have someone? Do you send out anything? Do you do your own calibrations in your house, or do you sometimes send out?
We have a technician come in house. He comes to the here. He's been coming here for a long time though. We do have a company coming for the comparators and the vision centers.
Okay, okay, great. So you have a company. So you have a technician that comes in house, and then you also have
Yep.
a company come in for the vision systems.
Yes,
A vendor.
and the big scales. Yes, a vendor. OCS.
And the big scales. Okay.
The heavy scales.
Yeah, because we in terms of that equipment, so we represent optical gauging products.
Okay.
So OGP offers a range of metrology systems, including optical comparators, vision scanning, and multi-sensor
Mhm.
systems.
Okay.
So and then on the flip side, so we offer calibration repair services for optical comparators, vision systems, and a wide range of
Okay.
tools again. And all of our calibrations are A2A accredited.
Okay.
So I was calling. I mean, we can. I understand. That's not really. That sounds like more in your realm, then, right?
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we just want to see, if you'd be open to comparing, cost and process.
Yeah, you can send me something. I can give you my email.
Okay.
Okay.
And your so
Yep.
you have a technician that comes in house, and then you have
Yes. Yes.
that comes on site, and then you have a vendor that does your comparators and vision
Yes.
systems and big scales.
But
Okay.
we are looking to update them, so I would really be interested in some information on that.
You're looking to update what?
The comparators.
Oh, great, the comparators.
Mhm.
Okay.
Mhm.
Like I said, all of our calibrations are A2A accredited.
Yep. Mhm.
So I was going to see. So I'll send you over an email, and then
Great.
after you've looked over the email, would it be okay if we set up a call for? Are you in the office on Thursday or Friday?
I'm off Friday actually. Maybe
Okay.
next week will be better.
Okay. Let's do. Are Mondays good or Tuesdays better?
Yep, Monday will be good. Yep.
Okay. So
Yep.
what if we did a call? Is 10 a.m. okay?
Yes, that works.
Okay, perfect. So what we'll do is that I'll send you an invite. We'll send you an email, and
Yep.
then the call. It's just a quick 15-minute Google Meet.
Okay.
So yeah, we'll
Sounds
send you a calendar invite for the Google Meet for May 19th at 10 a.m.
Okay. Perfect.
We look forward to it, Petra.
You too. Thank you.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.